Let me quickly teach you how to change your door lock if it's facing the wrong position. It's very simple. It's just an easy trick to install door lock. It's an easy trick. Once you have, even though you don't have a screw machine, you can still fix a door lock with screwdriver. See, you can still fix it. It's very, very easy. So let's get back to what I was trying to say. I was trying to show you guys. This is sometimes this engine comes in wrong size. So it depends on the way where you want the door to lock or lap on. So like this now, where I want to use it for is the door is closing. The door is closing like this. It's closing like this. So I need to turn it back to the right position. So just go on and look at what I'm going to do. It's very, very easy. So you need to place your hand here. You see this thing up here. There's a hook down inside. If you can see it, see. You just need to push this hook up with your hand. Then push this one inside. Once you push this one, you push this one inside. Once you push this one inside, you will now shift this one back. Once you shift it back, you will now turn it. Still use your hand to hold this place. The thing may be a little hard for you to turn sometimes, but if you have patience, you do it. So you direct the keys to the mouth line. So that's how voila, it's all done. So now it's facing the right direction.